Welcome to my Chinedu Hub class. Today we'll be looking at perimeter of irregular shapes. Okay, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around the edge of a shape. For example, this whiteboard, the total distance around this whiteboard is what we call a perimeter. But we are looking at perimeter of irregular shapes. Now when we say irregular shape, we are talking of what? A shape that has more than one shape. It could be 2, 3 or more shapes in a diagram like this. Okay, so if you look here now, we can get, if you cut here now, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. You can still get 1, 2, 3 shapes inside this diagram. That's what we mean by irregular shapes. Now let's find the perimeter of this question here. Of course, if you look here, you see we have, let's check the number of unknown length here. We have 1, we have 2, as you can see, we have 2 unknown lengths. But if you look closely here, you see that this one is the same thing as this. Okay, so in that case, this place is 8 centimeter. So we are left to find this one. Okay, and how do we find this one, this missing length here? Okay, we can take it to be what? To be x. And if you look closely here, from here to here, you can see that this is the opposite. We usually get the unknown length from the known side. You can see we usually get it from the opposite known side. Now this is the opposite of this x side, and the opposite of this x side, you can see we have what, 10 centimeter here. So in that case, since we have 10 centimeter as the opposite here, and here in this place we have what, 2 centimeter. So from here to here is giving us what, 2. The same thing from here to here is also giving us what, 2 centimeter. So you can see, and remember that the opposite length is what, 10. So here, for us to get the x, this is now what, x, which is equal to what, 10 minus 2 plus 2. So, and 10 minus 2 plus 2 is 4. 10 minus 4 is giving us what? So x is equal to what? 6 centimeter. So you can see also, if here is 2 plus 6 plus 2, we still have our 10 centimeter, which is the same thing as what? Opposite length. So in this case here, our x is giving us what? 6 centimeters. So this missing length is what? 6 centimeter. So that makes our work what? Easier. Now finding our length, you can see here we have gotten all the missing what? Length. So therefore the perimeter will now be, you can start from here, 12 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus, remember that our x is now what? 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter and plus what? 2 centimeter. So we have 12 plus 10, that's 22. 22 plus 12, that we have what? 34. 34 plus, we have 34. 34 plus 2, what do we have here? 36. And 36 plus 8, here we now have what? 44. Plus 6, we have 50. Plus 8, 58. Then plus 2, we now have what? 60 centimeters. So what we're having here is giving us 60 centimeters. So therefore, this perimeter is just what? 60 centimeters. Let's look at question number 2. As you can see, in question number 2, you can see it's still this. We are asked to find the perimeter of this shape. Okay, so we have here solution. Now, if you look closely here, let's see the number of perimeter missing here. Here we have unknown length. We have 1, we have 2. As you can see, we have 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, where can we start from? We can start from this side. We can start from this long one. Now, how do we get this long one? If you look closely, from here to here is giving us what? 4. I say always look at the opposite direction. From here to here is giving us 4. So here is 4 centimeter. The same thing also from here, as you can see, here to here is also what? 4 centimeter. And what do we have from here to here? From here to here is what? Can you guess? Yeah, from here, you can see from here to here we're having what? 2 centimeter. So now for us to get this this whole length, it simply means 4 plus 2, which is 6, plus 4, we have 10 centimeter. So in this case, this length is giving us what? 10 centimeter. So here is our 10 centimeter. Now we have gotten this length. Let's get this one, and see. So how can we get this one here now? As you can see here now, here we have the total length is giving us what? 12. Trying to find this missing length. So let's see here. You can see opposite here is what? 2 centimeter. So this one is giving us 2 centimeter. As you can see here. Now, how do we find this one? Like I told you, we always look at the opposite what? Known side to get the unknown side. Now, everything from here down here, you can see is giving us what? 12 centimeter. That's why we have this thing, this 12 outside here. It simply means from here down here is 12 centimeter. Now, here is 2. As you can see, here is 2. And we are looking for the remaining what? Length. That will give us what? 12. This simply means what? 10 minus 2, which is what? 10 centimeter. You can see from here to here, if here is what? 10, and 10 plus 2, which is still giving us back what? That 12. So in that case, that simply means that this length is 10 centimeter, and of course, the opposite of this is equal, so this one is also 10 centimeter. In that case, our perimeter here will now be, you can start from here, 2 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus 10. Let's add up and see what we get. Here we have 2 plus 10, which is 12. 12 plus 4, which is what? 16. 16 plus 2, which is giving us 18. And 18 plus 10 is 28. 28 plus 2 is giving us 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Plus 10, we are having 44 centimeter. So therefore, the perimeter here is equal to 44 centimeter. Okay, thank you for today's class. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.